Hello, may may klabanan dam si mo kay makamin to Philip ese.
Kaya mag-mention David kasi
David ese. Yeah, atu kay he Bethel Baptist Church Chicago music director don le mig sip Thi Sung kanapa David he based atum sun music lecton vo tampi ka lakpek tu sive kan bo changa mi se tunia hen we're doing a spontaneous video mo plans ya mi zemen lo pin kin kan rakto mi kan ze mi video sila ma he tamtling lo mi te ma chun kan the team ko tu ka mai ko hong pat just simple lo nine kan rak try ko la ete play tu kan to dim mi la he Thi Sung ti mi se the Chim Blessing Stars ni an sak mi version te ka kan rak to la du sa ten kan tum te la wo khat te play tu long kan rak to te la rakan ngai te utika kan no du na thank you. Play through cuma te kasi keyboard karak lang ter lo nak rong so tu bass tutorial kasi te bass tum nan te ka kanak lang ter du diok mi just kan bass tu ka kanak focus diok lak ko la intro akan akal mi ka C in F akal te so C in F akal C David ni tum dan hi C tum po akin a bass a fifth note te ki tum chipeng so C ka vun tum tap han C chung te ka G te ya ma te ka tum peng dum 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 te kan tum atum me F akan ka intro te da 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 te kan akal so maka te kan he walks up baseline te ka walk up kan te akai kan te ko so it goes do so do so do so yeah he could do that or make it it could go do re mi fa right dun 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 and then it goes dun 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 right so slowly then kan tum chan mo ready 1 2 3 mate kasi go. So G in C, listen, he does that. He does so la ti do, right? So it's G A B C tiakal. That's right. Maka a walk up tim katalasate. And C and F akal do atsun C D E F tikidgal. Atang go lower. So C D E F. So go C D and then C D E F, right? He could do that also. Matikanse. And then other than that, main concept, what do you do? Like constantly you just play 1 and 5, 1 and 5, right?
Yeah, basically this
right.
just walking up and down.
Perfect, right. And then if you were to play D kan tumatsun, you could just play D and A, right? D, and then the top note, which is A, right? Yeah, duh, right. They can tumpeng. So basically, wherever you are, if you're on the C, so if you're playing C, you play G. If you're playing D, you play A, right? And then the other concept is you can walk up and down. Mate
Yeah.
kase.
For F, it would be C.
Right, so if you were to play the low F, it'd be dun, fa, do, right? And that same concept can apply to G also, right? G, you can G, D, right?
Yes.
So, re, and so on and so forth. So basically, you're staying within that little square. So C, right? Right, you're staying in that little square. Anything else? I think that's about it, right? It's quite simple.
There is one.
So here's the chorus again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So A minor, when you went to A minor, how did you do it? A minor tumyokan. Oh, so right?
Yeah, you could hammer like this too, like.
Right.
Or
So
a simple version would be.
Right.
Yeah.
So let's do it again. Ready? Okay. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you, Dave, for getting on. But yeah, we'll see you guys again.